Oh, dito pala kayo mga plantito-plantita eh. Kasama ko lang yung mga tropa ko. Barkada.
I feel much better now.
Yeah, no, better.
That's your friends?
Yeah.
You guys?
Yes. So yan, meron kaming lakad ng kapatid ko for Mother's Day ngayon. Today is Mother's Day. Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
Yes. Mother's Day. Out. What? Yeah, Taliban. And we're going to... Where's going? Burn. At yung kamukha ng kapatid ko, si Potpot. Melanie. Shades ko, side sa mata. Kaya nag-shades ako eh. Oh, no, come here. Okay. Say something.
Hello.
Only hello?
Supper.
So kailangan naka-shades dahil tirik yung araw, mainit. Hintay lang namin si Dario. Kasi dalawang sasakyan gagamitin namin. So ito, hindi na muna. Hey Noah,
Yeah.
where's my greeting? You too much vacation.
Oh, Gengi.
How many days your vacation?
My birthday.
Your mom birthday.
Mine.
Your birthday and your mom also.
Yeah, good.
Oh.
Yeah.
Ay, si Potpot. Okay na ba si Potpot? Ay, same. Same ha?
You look different.
Picture kami mga boys. Mga boys dito, mga millennials. So nga pala, ng isang gabi, ay kagabi, meron tinatawag na aurora light. Bali, nagabang ako kagabi, di ko na-tsempan yung pukol ng liwanag ng aurora. Pero nakita ko siya, di lang ganun kaliwanag. Siguro gawa ng ulap sa area ng bahay ng kapatid ko. Pero sa ibang part na banda sa may half ng village, may nagpas maganda yung pagkakakuha niya. Paliwanag. Pero sa ibang lugar talaga, ang gandang liwanag, may video pa, ang ganda. Nakaka-amaze. Samantala yung nasa barko ko, yung nasa bandang Netherlands, Ireland, United Kingdom, wala eh. Di na-tsempuan, di ko na-tsempuan. Patakas-takas ako sa trabaho.
A few moments later.
So ayan, nandito kami ngayon sa may berry barn. Ito yung pinuntahan namin last time ng kapatid ko. Last time kasi may mga snow. Ngayon, summer, terikang araw. So nandun sila sa loob, puta ako sa loob. May konting picture, family picture, syempre, di na mawala. Ito pala yung bupi na sinasabi nyo.
I don't know. Okay. Kasi pesto na, pesto. Tama yan si Noah kasi maliit siya eh.
Baka maliit na naman.
Okay, Otoy, don't have.
What's that?
Pierogies.
Oh, too much ah. Yung buffet. Eban. So ito yung mga setup. Ito pala yung buffet. What you take?
Some of this.
Wow, it's good.
I'm going to bring one.
So, skin, halo-halo. So dessert.
Yeah.
Mommy?
Again? Yeah. Sabig siya doon sa Pampanga. Yung manok.
Okay, that's it. Good.
Pot, diet ka pot.
A few moments later.
So yun, niyaya ko si Noah maglakad kasi naninikip yung dibdib niya. Sobrang sa pagkain. So naiwan yung mga kapatid ko nandun. Si Noah niyaya ko maglakad. So something here chest. Because too much eat and too much pass to eat.
That's it.
So if you eat, just slow.
Okay.
So don't eat fast because if you eat fast, then your stomach is no good.
Oh.
Like similar like that.
Oh.
Yeah.
Not the piece.
Yeah. Don't eat too much. It's slowly. Yeah.
Oh, stop now.
Good.
Yeah.
Good now.
Yeah, good.
Put like this.
Oh.
Like this. Yeah. Not hard. It's only soft like.
This?
No.
Oh.
And then. Still pain?
No, nothing.
Not pain. A little bit.
A little bit.
Okay.
Rat party.
What?
Rat.
Rat?
Rat party.
Rat poly.
Party.
Party.
Yes.
Oh, grand party.
Yeah, grand.
Grad, yeah. Grad
That is
party.
cool.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
That is good. Eh?
Thanks, girl.
It work.
Oh. So yan, maglalakad pa uli kami ni Noah. Kasi ano pa, hindi pa nawawala. Pero okay na siya. Okay, let's go here. So ayun yung buffet area nila. Simpleng pagkain lang. Yan.
Oh,
Yan, simpleng pagkain lang, buffet. Yan. So may mga view. And you want to go to swim?
A few moments later.
So ayan, kanina, sino walang kasama ko ngayon.
hello.
Together with Evan and Greg. Yeah. Move forward, move forward. Yeah, go.
Go.
Go. Oh, dito pala kayo mga plantita eh. Kasama ko lang yung mga tropa ko. Barkada.
I feel much better now.
Yeah, no, better.
That's your friends?
Yeah.
You guys?
Yes.
Oh, hi!
Wala pala makikita. Dito lang pala.
Ayun, pumunta ako.
Nako! Yung pala yung buffet na sinasabi niyo noon. Pupunta tayo dito.
Ganun lang.
Ganun lang pala. Pwede na. Makamura lang naman siguro ka eh.
Anong mura? Mas mahal.
Mamamura ka.
Yung kape na gano'n, 4.5 yata.
Oo, tapos isa.
Ay, yung basong kape. Akala ko libre yun.
Unlimited yun, unlimited yun. Hindi.
Hoy,
Hindi libre
ang bilis
yun.
tuloy mo naman.
Additional yun.
Greg, Evan. You want go with there? How about here? You don't like?
This one? No, this here.
Here.
Here?
Cecil. Okay, Cecil. Follow the Cecil.
Monsieur. It's here. Monsieur.
Tinatawag ka ng mga tropa natin. Ang bilis nyo daw maglakad.
So you're now better?
Much better.
Much better.
Yep.
Are you full? You're super full, eh?
Yeah, like Evan also.
No, not me. I'm done your food.
That food.
Kendra's still eating.
No birthday, May. My birthday.
Your
Kasi
birthday,
kumain.
when is your birthday?
May. May Day.
Already done? Not
You
yet.
have to
Already,
go and eat outside.
I can't leave
You have to, yeah.
it.
You have to treat us.
You're going to Amazon.
Ah.
You see Emma. You see Amabel.
Emma Brown.
You go Amazon.
Amazon.
No, Amazon.
Hamilton.
Yes. Then going to Amazon.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Are you?
Yeah. Why, you don't like?
Yeah.
Okay,
I
good.
really love to Amazon.
Hamilton.
You're going my birthday.
Yes, we are company here. Take a video now. Just like this. Yes. Okay.
Company B.
Don't move. Yeah. All right.
Take a
Big
picture
company.
to company B.
Take a video.
Oh, video to us. Everyone,
Yeah,
you go like that. Yeah. You go like this. Yeah. Yeah.
My goodness gracious.
Wala pa pambayad dito ah.
Tuwa sila kay Otoy. Tropa nga eh.
Patro, sama ka sa amin. Ay, kompleto tayo.
Evan, let's go!
Nasa na ba kay Otoy kasi balik tropa. Uwi na kami.
Go here? Evan!
Good?
Yeah.
Good.
Mark, something.
Ay,
Something.
videographer yan. Wala.
Yeah. Evan, go here. Adwa, something.
Thank you for bringing us to here to the very barn. Thanks, Miss Grace. You say something.
Ask Miss Grace.
No, you ask her.
You ask Miss Grace.
Just do it, buddy.
No.
Hello. You say hello. You guys have to say
Melanie.
something.
Hello.
Bud, let's go.
Let's go. Yeah, let's go.
Yes.
Guys.
Come on, let's go.
Tropa oh. Tropa body ayos
Let's go. But
Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Turn up. Yeah, turn up. Off. Yeah, that's it. Because it's go home.
oh yeah, go.
Yeah, just
Thank you, boys.
let's go here. Pag ito kasayawan ko si Noon, ako, lugi ako dito.
Parang hindi yan.
24/7 to, no? Laban to eh. Di, walang kapagod. Dami din eh, no? Kahit dito lang, kahit simple lang yung kanyang. Oh. Oh. Ano ba? Eh, gusto eh. Pasyalan. Yan.
Oo. Ano pag nag-winter na, kaya
Wala. Oh. 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 Yung pinakapasyalan nila. Oh.
yung mga
Oh. Kaya ano yun, no? Yung baga, no? Kaya kailangan talaga mag-iipon ka sa buong winter para makapasyal ka sa gusto mo.
Dahil pag ikaw kulang sa pinansyal, hindi ka na makakalis dito.
Wala. Hindi mo ma-engine. Oo. Kasi ano, si Evan. Ay, nandito na pala. Wala pala, kompleto na pala eh. Oh. Lugi ako kay ano kay Noah. 24/7 eh. Buhay.